Tired of juggling multiple email accounts in your browser? Frustrated by slow loading times and limited sorting options? What if I told you there's a powerful open source email client that keeps your inbox organized even offline? Meet Thunderbird, your ultimate email solution. The one you've been waiting for. Hello world, or at least the reasonably curious corner of it. I'm Mike, your guide through the labyrinth of productivity tools, and this is Cheap Technology Officer, where we slice through unnecessary expenses to bring you affordable, effective solutions. Today we're talking about Thunderbird, a free open source email client that might just change the way you handle emails forever. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why Thunderbird stands out and how to set it up in just a few minutes. Let's face it, web-based email services like Gmail and Outlook are convenient, but they come with limitations. Need to sort emails by sender? Not possible in Gmail. Want to access emails offline? Good luck with that. And let's not even talk about privacy concerns. If you're looking for more control over your inbox, you need a better solution. Enter Thunderbird, a free open-source email client that gives you complete control over your email. Unlike web-based services, Thunderbird downloads your emails to your PC, allowing offline access, advanced filtering, and powerful search features. Plus, it supports multiple email providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and more. Let's dive in. Getting started with Thunderbird is simple. Here's how. Head over to thunderbird.net and grab the latest version. Open Thunderbird, go to Settings, Account Actions, and Add Mail Account. Enter your email credentials and let it automatically configure the settings. IMAP keeps emails synced with your online account, while POP3 downloads them permanently to your device. For the majority of users, IMAP is more than enough. I use IMAP myself. Use folders, filters, and tags to categorize your emails effortlessly. Thunderbird isn't just a basic email client. It's packed with powerful features. Move emails from your webmail inbox to your PC for permanent storage. This is great for backing up your emails. Built-in support for PGP and GPG encryption, so no need to worry there. Automate email sorting with advanced filters. Works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android seamlessly. Here are some pro tips to get the most out of Thunderbird. Unlike Gmail, Thunderbird lets you sort by sender, subject, date, or size with a single click. Find emails instantly by typing keywords in the search bar. Copy your Thunderbird profile folder to an external drive to keep your emails safe. Even if you use Gmail, syncing with Thunderbird creates a local backup of all your emails. So if you're ready to take control of your email, why not give Thunderbird a try? It's free, open source, and puts you in charge. Let me know in the comments. Have you used Thunderbird before, or are you planning to switch? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more affordable tech solutions. See you in the next one.